released from THF, bro. Doom, 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 doom. So, once I look at the whole situation, THF, them boys deadly, bro. Cause the way they pulled up like that, I ain't even expect that. Young Money is, bro. They weren't really prepared for that, bro. At that time, you know when they blew back though, so you can't say they weren't on point. You see what I'm saying? They was on point over there. Vote now. Young Money is be on point. They hit different. But food pull up. It hit different. Do y'all homework on THF. The one who Lil Durk gave that OTF chain to. I ain't gonna name drop.
Yeah.
I seen his face when he shot. I know who did it.